Welcome to new lesson today. Today we will learn about RAND and RAND between. What is the difference between RAND and RAND between? The difference between RAND and RAND between is RAND will provide you the random number between 0 to 1 and RAND between provides the return value in a range you specific. In RAND between you can give a specific number like top or bottom, and you will be having a number in between those criteria. And with RAND function returns a random number between 0 and 0.9. That means between 0 to 1. Alright, let me show you how does it work. So to perform this task, I have selected a data. Sometimes it happens that we need a random number and we don't know how we can do it like manually. It takes a lot of time, so it's better to have it a function, or by using this RAND function you can have it very easily. Random number, no matter how big you have a data, it will easily work. So like you can see in this sheet, I have selected a particular area and I'm just simply applying equal to and RAND formula, and let's see how this works. RAND function is very simple. Just type equal to RAND and tab, and you have to bracket close. And to apply this RAND in all the selected area, what do I need to do? I need to press Ctrl Enter. So now you can see I have got the number all over my selected data. So all the numbers you can see are having between 0 to 1. So this is how we can have the number between 0 to 1 for all the data. This you need to select the data and use Ctrl and E. So in the same way, let me show you how we can do RAND between and what are the uses of RAND between. The uses are very simple, like when you need a random number in data and you have particular criteria, you want number between 0 to 1, then you can use RAND. And if you have and you can also, it's not like that only with RAND you can have only 0 to 1, but if you multiply this with any number, then it will provide you the more than 1 as well. Let me show you with an example. First let me select and delete this. Like I was trying to say how we can have more than 1 with the RAND function. Just simply what I'll do, I'll apply this RAND, then bracket close. I am doing this with the help of tab. This is the formula. So what I'll be doing to have more than 1, then I'll simply use equal to multiply sign. Then I can multiply with any number. Let me multiply with 20 here. So same thing, same key, Control Enter to get the number in all over my selected area. Control Enter. Now you can see we have got the number more than, it's 1, like 1.8, so 7.1. So we have, what we did, we multiplied RAND function with 20. So you can do your multiplication according to your requirement. Now let me quickly show you how we can use RAND between. RAND between function returns value in a range you specify. So to perform this, let me delete all the data. So now equal to RAND between. Oh, I did some mistake. I'm sorry for this. Let me delete it. Let me select first some area, and simply I have selected the area I want to apply RAND between, and I want to have some random numbers between any of my specific requirement, like RAND between. You can see drop down, RAND between tab. Now what formula is asking, bottom or top? Bottom, what do you want? I want let's have bottom 20. You can give anything, 20, and top 50. So this is very simple. Now we'll be having number between random number between 20 and 50. So because we have given this criteria, so same, we have bracket closed and same thing, control enter. Now you can see we have got the random numbers between 20 and 50. So this is how we can have a random number. You can use this function according to your requirement. Whenever you need a random data, you can have this, and this is very easy function and very helpful when you require any random data. So I hope you learned something with this video today. If you learned something, then do like, comment and share, and with this share this video with your friends so that your friends can also get benefited with this video. We'll come up again with new formula related to Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.